So, I just wanted to take a minute to show you these guys. Look at this. It is fall, almost into winter here in New York. And these guys are still alive. So succulents can live in the cold. Go figure, who would have thought? I mean, I'm super happy, but, well, there is no but. I'm just super happy. I was waiting for the first frost. I wanted to know if these guys were gonna last. All that shadow. But look at them. They look great. They look amazing. We'll see how long these guys can last. I'll keep giving updates.